Hi viewers, this is Dharmaraj and we are in a continuous of the third Kotlin programming videos. In this video, we will see how to run the Kotlin in command prompt and as well as the online how to do it, practice. So first, let's go ahead and the code what we built in the last tutorial, we add something in that code. So for that, this is the file where we had on the board. I am just going to click on the address bar and the command prompt will come up. Okay. So let's create a jar file. For the jar file, we'll use this command. Okay, so we'll use that line Kotlina and this is the file name which we want to make it jar. This is the expected name of the jar file, and here we are specifying that it should not you if you remove this parameter, it will going to take this is a Java jar which is a JRE Java runtime, but though we are running in the Kotlin C, so we want explicitly it should include in this jar file as a Kotlin runtime, not the Java runtime. So for that, need to execute this command. Here you could see the jar file is created for hello Kotlina. We will see whether the jar file has executed successfully. See, still we are getting the the result hello Kotlina 3rd July, which we had programmed in the last tutorial. Uh, so I just want to give you some input. Uh, you could see function main args, but if you write in the Java style, then that should be in a class file, right? In the class, and the class name should be hello. Okay, then bracket start, then bracket end, and in between there is a public static void main. And in this public static void main we have the parameter, right? And it's stack string argument, which is an array. Then inside print line here. This is how typically we are writing in the Java, right? But what make difference the Kotlin program and this Java program? Here in the Java program, you could see there are lots of boilerplate code, which which not add on any functionality to the function. But here we are more concentrate on the business requirement of the function, what exactly we are trying to achieve, instead of writing the boilerplate code. So but it makes the Kotlin makes the life more easier and simpler for the developer who has developed the code And these boilerplate code which no developers are writing. It's the the Kotlin developers know it's all are being developed by the IDE. The IDEs are more intelligent nowadays. So let's make something shrink so that it should be concentrated on the functionality rather than writing the boilerplate code. So let me open the class file for you so that you could see what the Kotlin does for us. For that we need to write Java P minus C space hello world. Okay, W should be capital, hello world, K should be capital, T class. Okay. Okay, sorry, it should not be the hello world. My mistake. Okay, so this will be the output. Here we could recognize mm, compiler from hello world KT public final class. You see public final class hello Kotlin KT public static final void main Java long string, which is passing as a string as argument, and the body of the method code, and what exactly we're doing here. That is that the same old Java code, right? Behind the scene, and the Kotlin, jars is also running the same code, but we don't need to write all those tools. That is what the beauty of the Kotlin we are achieving here. So this is the one thing, and if someone wanted to practice Kotlin as a online, so for them you need to type the Kotlin in Google and Kotlin programming language, and this is the official website of the Kotlin. Here you could try Kotlin, and this is the piece of code for the testing purpose. And here I'm writing this is Dharmaraj and print. And here you need to check whether the JVM JavaScript JUnit. For now I'm choosing as a JVM and the run button. Here you could see the output. Even in the runtime, in the online also you could achieve able to test the Kotlin code. Thank you for watching.